Hello, hello! Welcome back to Red Ted Art. Yes, we have some beautiful paper hearts for you to make today. You know we love this concertina pattern. We've made some gorgeous butterflies like this before, and today it's all about the paper heart. So come on, let's take a look and see how they're made. So to make your hearts, you literally just need some paper, something round to measure out your circles with, scissors, a little bit of glue and a pencil. Now if you want to hang them up, I would use a little bit of sewing thread and then I'll tell you at which point when we're making our craft where you glue them in. Now I'm going to make a slightly bigger one today. You can make them any size, I like both these sizes. But just experiment and see what you like. But this is a really good size for smaller hands, or if you're, not as confident with your neat folding. I quite like this size. Now you've finished cutting out, you need to fold it. Now you could just start concertinaing and going all the way up, but I quite like to get these as neat as possible. So I do some guide lines first. Fold this up. So now I've got my middle. I'm going to fold this down, make sure it's parallel. And I'm going to fold it, oh, that's not very parallel, is it? There we go. And then I'm going to fold this back up and back down. So this gives me an 1/8. So I've got a nice kind of guide. And now I can do my normal concertina where you just go backwards and forwards. So I've got one. Try and do this as neatly as you can. And then I'm going to do the same on this side. So this is my main half. Fold this in half just to get those lines. Okay. So just gives you a guide, and it means you can get your final heart neater. Okay, now make this really neat. Take it into the middle and fold it up. Now you want this and this to align at the top. Okay, so I've got it aligned, and then I'm going to make sure that the bottom is as flat as possible. Now if you want to hang this at this stage, I would get some thread handy. I'm not going to hang ours. I think they look nice on the front of cards, on a photo frame, anything. So you've got this. Now you take the glue. And again, if you're hanging it, I would now put your thread in the middle, and basically when you're gluing this shut, oh, this hasn't got much glue in it. I'll have to use my fingers. When you're gluing it shut, you add your piece of thread. So I've just used my fingers. I'm going to get very sticky hands, aren't I? Didn't realize this was my empty one. Got a full one somewhere. Fold it, make sure again that it aligns, and give it a good squish. And then let's have a look. I think you can see it already. Look at that. Oh, it's a little heart. Isn't that adorable? And that's it. That's how you make your paper fan hearts. So here are the other ones. So these are all the same size. This is the smaller plate, so you can see the sizes that you get using different size plates, and I think they're simply adorable. Now these are very similar to some butterflies I've made previously. Do check those out too. I think you'd love them. But as per usual, don't forget to share this with a friend, like, comment, subscribe, but above all, I'd love you to keep watching and keep making, and of course I'd love to see you again soon. Anyway, take care, bye.